say goodbye to the hassle of complex software and hardware requirements. With Virtual Plant, our innovative web-based point cloud visualization software, you can effortlessly access and explore your data from any device. Web accessibility. No matter if you're using a laptop, smartphone, or tablet, Virtual Plant allows you to easily open and view your point cloud data without the need for software installations or heavy hardware. Seamless exploration. Dive into the intricate details of your data with just a few clicks. Virtual Plant provides a user-friendly interface, ensuring a smooth and intuitive experience for both professionals and enthusiasts. No installation required. Enjoy the convenience of accessing and managing your data directly from your web browser. Virtual Plant eliminates the need for complicated software setups, giving you instant access to your valuable information. Experience the freedom and flexibility of Virtual Plant today, wherever you are.